10 years ago, when pay-per-click was in diapers, we began to document the best practices and the features that would facilitate the PPC management process. This approach led to a blueprint for our services and later a sales enablement platform that allowed other companies to enhance their pay-per-click offerings. In this video, I will walk you through the sales enablement tools that we've created and how your business can benefit from it. Before getting started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications button. You don't want to miss out on our content. Now let's dive right in. What is White Shark Media's Compass? If this is your first time hearing about Compass, you're in for a treat. Compass is a sales enablement tool focused entirely on PPC, including assisting marketing agencies in pitching PPC services. With Compass, you will navigate through ever-evolving digital market. It helps to reduce cost of training, developing, and managing your services in-house. You'll also gain tools that better allow you to sell your pay-per-click. Your team gets savvier while your agency saves time. Compass definitely changes the way marketing agencies are able to sell and provide PPC. So, if you're wondering, who is White Shark Media's Compass designed for? Let me tell you. Compass is designed to assist marketing agencies of all shapes and sizes. Agencies that would like to add PPC to their service portfolio can leverage from our extensive range of tools to accelerate their sales processes. Agencies that offer PPC on Google Ads, Microsoft Advertising, and more would like to scale without compromising time and resources. What are the features and benefits? Compass includes a proposal engine, audit tools, sales and marketing courses, our collateral library, and more. With this in mind, it's time to explore some of the incredible features and benefits you can expect. Here's a breakdown of the tools and how they come together to deliver better results. Proposal engine. If you're eager to close some PPC deals, you've come to the right place. The proposal engine generates white label proposals that include keyword recommendations, competitor data, ad previews, and more. These documents will help teams present the data that will back innovative strategies and optimizations to clients. Audit Tool. This white label PPC software can assess an unlimited number of accounts and download reports for Google Ads and Microsoft campaigns. This solution is designed to reduce the time it takes to generate these reports and make it easier and faster to discover actionable data that you can use to sell PPC. The recommendations you receive from this PPC software are based on keyword performance and strategy, automated bidding strategies, conversions, ad relevance, ad group performance, location targeting settings, language settings, and bid adjustments. Ad Insight empowers partners by leveraging technology to flag PPC campaign performance improvements and equip sales teams with recommendations and new prospect campaign opportunities. Sales consultations. I would like to say that this tool helps teams fine-tune ideas and address concerns without any fluff. Having an expert by your side can make PPC sales run a lot smoother. You'll have the support you need to get the hang of it and move forward confidently. Compass offers a 2-hour white label consultation with your team. Together, agency teams can cover pipeline reviews, proposal walkthroughs, pitch growth strategies, and more. Collateral library. This is a sales library that covers every subject under the PPC sun. This feature has also been given its own platform to function independently. This platform includes detailed email templates to facilitate communications for our agency partners. Pretty cool, right? Sales courses. Compass provides access to a library of sales courses. These resources support teams with all kinds of pitching information, such as different campaign types and new product briefs. The Academy for Agencies currently offers the following series: Client Lifecycle, which includes prospecting, onboarding, servicing, reporting, upselling, and retention. Pitching, Microsoft Advertising, Google Ads. I invite you to take PPC and sales courses at your own pace and easily reference topics as they come up. Takeaways. Now more than ever, we're all aware of the importance of new opportunities. The times require PPC services, and we're excited to get involved. In short, tools like White Shark Media's Compass allow marketing agencies to be more profitable as they reduce costs of training, developing, and managing services in-house. Our tool prioritizes and facilitates PPC sales so that your team can focus on the client. Exploring the new features to Compass will give you a better idea of the time and money your team can save by adding it to your daily tools. If you want to empower your sales team with the right resources, materials, and tools, visit our Compass website at wsmcompass.com. They'll have the ability to sell more effectively and efficiently. Contact us to learn more about PPC sales enablement or leave a comment on this video and we'll get back to you.